Hey guys, this is how to add calendar to a Google Calendar. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Google Calendar, guys. And from here, of course, this will be the home page. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the top left corner of the screen and you should be able to see here the main menu. So click on the three lines. And after that, you should be able to see here other calendar. So just simply click on this plus icon over here on the left side, add other calendars. And from here, guys, you can have an option, create new calendar, or you can just simply import a calendar or import from a URL. So guys, in this case, I will be creating a new calendar. So click on it. And after that, just simply go ahead and name the calendar, guys. So I'm gonna name it simplified. And after that, just simply provide a description. I'm gonna go for how-to videos, for example, and just simply select a time zone over here. And after that, you can just simply click on create a calendar. And after that, just simply wait for it to load up. And after that, once it is created, you can just simply go ahead, go back over here in the top left corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see your calendar and you should be able to customize it. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.